Replacing the windows in your Dallas home is an important investment that can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. However, many homeowners hesitate to replace their windows because they assume it will be an expensive project. While window replacement can be a significant expense, there are budget-friendly options available that can offer you the benefits of new windows without breaking the bank. In this article, we'll explore several cost-effective window replacement options for Dallas residents, helping you find the right balance of quality and affordability for your home. Vinyl windows. Affordable and durable. When it comes to budget-friendly window replacement, vinyl windows are one of the most popular and affordable choices. Vinyl windows offer excellent durability and energy efficiency at a lower cost compared to wood or fiberglass windows. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, vinyl windows are resistant to the elements, meaning they won't warp, crack, or fade over time, making them an excellent option for the Texas climate. In addition to being affordable, vinyl windows are low maintenance. They don't require painting or sealing like wood windows, and they are easy to clean. They are also available in a variety of styles, including double hung, sliding, and casement, allowing you to choose the best design for your home. Overall, vinyl windows provide a solid return on investment with their durability, energy efficiency, and long lifespan. Single-pane windows. A temporary and low-cost solution. For Dallas residents who are on a tight budget and don't need the high insulation value of double or triple-pane windows, single-pane windows can be a more affordable option. While single-pane windows are not as energy efficient as their multi-pane counterparts, they still offer basic protection from the elements and can be a good temporary solution if you're not ready to make a larger investment. However, keep in mind that single-pane windows won't offer the same level of energy savings or soundproofing as double-pane windows. If you're planning on staying in your home for many years, you may want to consider upgrading to double-pane windows in the future for better performance. Standard window styles. Keep it simple. One way to reduce the cost of your window replacement project is by sticking with standard window styles. Custom windows or unique designs can add significant costs to the project, especially if you have non-standard window openings or wish to install specialized features like arched or bay windows. Standard window styles, such as double-hung, slider, and casement windows, are the most common and tend to be more affordable because they are manufactured in bulk and are easier to install. These styles are available in various materials, including vinyl, aluminum, and wood, allowing you to choose the best option for your budget. Energy-efficient windows. Save money long-term. While energy-efficient windows may have a higher upfront cost than basic windows, they can save you significant money in the long term by lowering your energy bills. Dallas residents know how extreme the weather can get, with hot summers and mild winters. Installing low-E glass windows or double-pane windows with argon gas can help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the need for constant air conditioning or heating. In the long run, the energy savings provided by energy-efficient windows often outweigh the initial investment. Additionally, Many energy-efficient windows are eligible for rebates or tax credits, which can help offset the cost of installation. By choosing windows with energy-efficient coatings and insulating properties, you're not only improving your home's comfort but also making a sustainable investment. Consider a window pane upgrade instead of full replacement. If you don't want to completely replace your windows but still want to improve their energy efficiency, consider upgrading the window panes instead of the entire window unit. This can be a budget-friendly option if your window frames are still in good condition. A common option is to replace single-pane glass with double-pane glass or to add storm windows over your existing windows. Double-pane glass provides better insulation and reduces heat transfer, helping you save on energy bills. Storm windows are an affordable way to add an extra layer of protection, especially during extreme weather conditions. Look for window replacement discounts and deals. Another way to save on window replacement is to shop around for discounts or seasonal sales. Many window manufacturers and installers offer promotions, rebates, or financing options throughout the year. If you can wait for a sale, you may be able to get high-quality windows at a discounted price. Additionally, some utility companies in Dallas may offer rebates for upgrading to energy-efficient windows, so it's worth checking with your utility provider to see if you qualify for any discounts or incentives. Hire a reliable contractor for installation. While it's tempting to go for the lowest bid when choosing a contractor, it's important to consider the quality of the installation. A poorly installed window can negate the benefits of a high-quality, energy-efficient window, leading to drafts, air leaks, and higher energy bills. Take the time to research reputable window installation companies in Dallas. Compare quotes and read customer reviews to find a trustworthy contractor who offers a fair price and guarantees a professional installation. Proper installation will ensure that your windows perform as expected and last for years, making the investment worthwhile. Conclusion: upgrading the windows in your Dallas home doesn't have to be an expensive project. With the right choice of budget-friendly window replacement options, such as vinyl windows, single-pane glass, standard window styles, and energy-efficient features, you can improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and security without breaking the bank. By carefully considering your options and working with a trusted contractor, you can enjoy the benefits of new windows while staying within your budget. If you're ready to get started on your window replacement project, reach out to a local expert to discuss the best options for your home and budget. With the right windows, you'll create a more comfortable and cost-effective living space for years to come.